At ER2, we help big companies purchase, install, track, and dispose of their IT electronics, saving them so much time and resources. We are growing fast and hiring warehouse team members across the country. Our warehouse team members are like the treasure finders of our industry. They are at the helm of receiving all the electronics being responsibly disposed of by our partners and deciding where and what will happen to them. This includes avenues such as dismantling electronics down to their parts to be resold or to the commodity level to be recycled and reused. They ensure data-containing devices are handled securely and create clarity for our partners by scanning device information into customized reports. These guys and gals handle all kinds of electronics daily and need to have the fluidity to move project to project. They move efficiently and with purpose. ER2 operates a lean environment that seeks to continuously improve our processes and ourselves in humility while serving each other well. We offer family-focused vibes, a platform for growth, and a competitive benefit package. Check out this opportunity and more at er2.com/careers.